Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your W forms on QuickBooks. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see what W forms have been sent out or you have prepared. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, there's multiple ways. First, log on to QuickBooks, and then we're going to highlight where it says Expenses, and we're going to go ahead and click on 1099 Filings. Now, on this tab here, right next to it, you're going to see Recipients and W-9s. And so with this W-9s, you could basically import it and see who actually has W-9s sent to them. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your W-9s on QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.